Hello friends. First and foremost, the two level of disclaimer, as the idea of making these videos is essentially to benefit you. Do read these carefully and at leisure. Deeply regret for not coming back as quickly as desired after the last video. Research your stocks. Hope you found it useful. This was first step to empowering you to take complete control over your stock investments. We emphasize to go through each and every aspect on BSE website so as to create a complete understanding. BSE is best research tool. Most shares in NSE are listed in BSE as well, but converse is not true. We strongly recommend to research shares more closely that is only listed in BSE. These companies are relatively smaller and thus need due diligence. Get to the bottom of everything before taking a plunge. So, we now move on to the second aspect of before taking a plunge. Walk full ups and downs of the chart. After all, history teaches us the future course. In case of BIBCL, the company we reviewed last, it is listed only on BSE. COVID-19, Covaxin, Bharat words made many go crazy to chase the stock without any logic. Isn't it so? It hit the high of 45.15 before retreating to rupees 22 and may go from where it started. It was stretched right from the time it started to move up on these wrong pretexts. Let's take a look at another chart that is classic representation of stretching on up and down both. Shares charts are either in expansion or in contraction modes. While coming down or going up, the prices do not stop at optimum levels. Markets are cyclical, so are the stocks. We run after fast-moving train, whereas it might have left the halt station behind. Or we run away from the falling knives, as they call when the markets or stocks are coming down. The real opportunities are rather in the other direction. While the stocks become overpriced, one should sell, and when they come down, look at the opportunities. This is the reality. The same study can be applied on any of the stocks for longer term price charts on BSE website by inserting dates, and bingo. It just takes a few seconds to go as deep as 10 years. Remember, the devil is in the detail. You can derive optimum price for each and buy and sell when the charts are stretched in either side. You will be able to win over the threats and opportunities mismatch. So guys, a few pointers from the charts study. Do not cling on to your multi-bagger. Selling your shares is equally important to make money. It is pertinent to know when to stop chasing an opportunity. FOLO is a very dangerous syndrome. Do not even look at that stock. By researching your stocks well, you can create your own multi-baggers. Above all, invest as much in a stock as you can afford to lose. It is rather paramount that you enjoy your investing. Chart references in the video. Besides BIBCL, the charts shown are Alok Industries for 1 year and HFCL for 10 years. Stay tuned for more as we go along. Thanks for watching and happy investing.